friend. We are already arrived in Kiel Tower.
So you have the four seasons. Okay, but in Malaysia we have two seasons, the rainy season and the hot season. That's all. Okay, you hope that you.
Not so long right before we have the countdown. Alright, that's when the tower will go all dark. Alright, that's when the beginning of the countdown. And just to let you know, okay, this is your friend.
Hey. We want to go upstairs. Everywhere in Kuala Lumpur, you can see the celebrations. Where you go, the people are there. We want to go upstairs.
Great, alright, so you brought them along. You brought them along? Fine, alright.
So you can see the people are waiting for the fireworks here.
Okay, I don't know what that meant. I hope it was something good. Oh, it's hi. Okay, alright. You want to say something in Ampang language? Is that the best you can do? One more time. Make some noise, everyone! Yeah, that's it. All right. Almost coming down to 11:48 now. Okay, so it's just like almost 12 minutes more before we start the fireworks display.
So he's saying about the fireworks.
Can I talk
After
to you?
12 minutes, you can experience the beautiful
What's your
fireworks
name?
here. Look at the Petronas Twin Towers.
Get ready, everyone.
Wow. They're getting ready for the firework.
So you guys need to count with me, right? We'll all count together. Once the tower goes, okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Wow! She looks so beautiful. Ken Tower, fireworks. Wow, it's amazing. And look at the Petronas Twin Towers. Wow. 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 It's fantastic and amazing. People are making noise. Beautiful firework here in Kuala Lumpur. This is fireworks. Wow, the people are chanting and enjoying here.